All right, Addison, you've got one big job ahead of you tracking this heat and rumor about maybe some showers this afternoon.
Yes, Sherman, crossing our fingers that those showers come by over our vicinity. We need some cool relief, right?
Yes.
Because we definitely do have this high heat running around town once again today, of temperatures later on this afternoon feeling around 107 towards the 3 o'clock hour, for 30% chance of seeing isolated thunderstorms. By 5 o'clock, that chance now increases to 50%, with temperatures still feeling very much on the sauna-like side of things. And during the 7 o'clock hour towards the dinner time hour, it is still feeling around 100. The view outside right now up near the Gulf of Mexico, right across in Galveston, looks marvelous. You can certainly see some people down there enjoying the nice view and hopefully getting a nice breeze coming on in, because we do have reports that temperatures are still feeling very steamy right along the coastal areas. As you go further inland, though, those temperatures are, of course, trending warmer. We got 88 degrees in Livingston, 94 in Tomball, 95 degrees in Sugar Land. Sugar Land, you feel, though, 103. We feel 111 out there in Angleton. Feels about 100 degrees in Huntsville. So everyone, for the most part, is feeling into the triple-digit heat. That's why we do have a heat advisory up in effect for all these orange highlighted areas until 7 o'clock tonight, where temperatures could feel as warm as 109 degrees. And in some spots like Angleton, you're already feeling warmer than that. The winds are very light to calm, so we're not getting any much of a breeze to move the air around, just kind of sitting right across the area. Bigger picture shows that we got high pressure up towards the north and east, bringing around some cool air for places like the Great Lakes and the northeastern areas, but unfortunately, it's not getting that far southward. Instead, we have this big ridge of high pressure still sitting across much of the western 2/3 of the nation, allowing very hot temperatures to continue to build underneath it. And that's why we see numerous heat alerts from right here in Houston towards portions of Montana, and definitely across the southwest towards California, where they are dealing with a big time heat wave going on over there. It's about 100 degrees in Las Vegas. Same thing up there in Phoenix. We are about 94. Meanwhile, it's very close to that in Casper, Wyoming, 92 degrees, and temperatures all the while are feeling just as warm, if not warmer, than some spots down across the south. So later on this afternoon, we can see a little bit of some activity starting to develop across in the radar imagery. Pop-up scattered showers and thunderstorms will develop in a northeasterly direction, drift down to the southwest over time, and we anticipate it going in towards tomorrow morning, with us starting off on a quiet note, but then by the afternoon hours, maybe seeing a few isolated pop-up showers once again coming our way. Speaking of things developing, we're of course keeping our eyes on the Gulf of Mexico, still sitting at a 70% chance of development in the next 5 days. That little disturbance right there across the southern end of the Gulf. The spaghetti models, all the various computer models that we look at, show that it will eventually move and move northward. Thankfully, though, it'll be making its way towards the east of the Houston metro area, where potential landfall is likely crossing Louisiana all the way up towards the Florida Panhandle. Time frame would be roughly late Friday into Saturday, where the bulk of the rainfall looks to be coming just towards our east, but we could be seeing a little bit of that action come this way. And of course, things can change as time goes on, so we'll be keeping our eyes on more forecast data as it comes in our way. But later on today, still feeling that heat, about 108 for a feel-like temperature in downtown Houston. By tomorrow, it's about 106. We have scattered showers and thunderstorms still hanging around for Thursday and Friday, then moving in towards the weekend. Keeping our eyes on the tropics. And Sherman, of course, it may be about time we talk about Father's Day, may be impacted here by a little bit of some tropical activity. We'll see. We'll cross our fingers that that's not the case.